All right, this bottom one has a curve and a linear function. So we've got an exponential and a linear, and it's asking us to look at some specific questions about these two functions together. And so notice it's first asking us, where is f of x equal to g of x? And so we hone in here on this point. So we could say that it is when x is equal to 4. So you might be like, oh, it's negative 4, 2. That's the actual coordinate of where they're equal. Or you could say when x is equal to negative 4. Okay, where is f of x greater than g of x? So let's go check this out. Notice that this function is the one called f of x. That's my curve. So where is the curve greater than the line? And so our brains focus in then on this section. This is where the curve is above the line, greater than the line. So we're going to say from negative 4 to infinity would be that section. Then where is f of negative 3 minus g of negative 2? Or what is, not where is. So f of negative 3, I go back 1, 2, 3, and I find the f function, 1, 2, 3, 4, right here. So f of negative 3 equals, positive 4, back 3 up 4, to get to that f function. Now we go to g of negative 2, back 2 to the g function is going to be negative 2. So it's 4 minus a negative 2, which is 4 plus 2, which is just 6. All right, where is the output g of x equal to negative 4? So now we're looking again at the line, the g of x function, and where is the output equal to negative 4? So I go down here and find the negative 4, and I notice that that's right here at negative 1, negative 4. So it's when x is equal to negative 1. Identify the interval where g of x is steeper than f of x. So the line has a constant slope of negative 2. And we take the absolute value of negative 2. And so we are looking for something that's faster than a rate of 2. So if I go over here, this is a nice shallow part of the line. That definitely is not steeper or faster than 2. So I'm going to go look over here. This one has a slope of exactly 2. So on this interval, they both have the same rate. And so it's everywhere before that. This entire section here is where the graph is steeper or has a faster rate. So it's from negative infinity to negative 4. Okay, how'd those go for you? All right, complete the table. What's f of x plus g of x? So first, go get the inputs and the outputs for each one, and then we just add those together in this end box. This is still talking about the same graph, the same function. So at x equals negative 6, so go back 6, I see that f of x is probably going to land at negative 8. See how it goes off the graph? Go check that out. It's kind of like down here. So back 6 is down 8, and then back 6 is up 6 for the other function. Negative 8 plus 6 is just negative 2. Then negative 5, I go down 2 for this one. Negative 5, I go up 4 for this one. Negative 2 plus 4 is just 2. Go to negative 4. Back 4, oh, they both are at 2. So 2 plus 2 is just 4. Negative 3, my g of x is at 0. Look how it lands right on the x-intercept there. And then the other one is at 4. 4 plus 0 is just 4. Negative 2, go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or down 2, up 5. 5 minus 2 is just 3. Go back 1, negative 4 for g of x. Go back 1. That's like 5.5. Go check that one out. It's kind of hard to tell what it is. 5.5 minus 4 is 1.5. 0, negative 6 for the g of x. 0, 5.9. What do you think that is? Is going to be negative 0.10. That can vary. And then finally, 1 goes up 6 for the f of x. 1, I don't know, do you want to call that negative 8? 6 minus 8 is negative 2. Okay, good job.